In this episode, we will focus on clamp problems. Feel free to use the comment section for questions and ideas for new tutorials. With time, the adjustable system becomes loose and you start to notice that it's moving during pedaling. But no worries, there's a simple solution for that. The lever should unlock smoothly. If it's stuck, you need to add some Vaseline. Here's how you do it. If the clamp is not locking at all, no matter how much you tighten, it means the lever is damaged and has to be replaced.